then yeah, it's the best. It's inside it.
So the other side.
I done it video, remember, okay? I done it video.
You don't really do nothing in there. This is the water tank.
Right.
So I saw the water is keep going, right?
Yeah.
Here is the water filter. Not really you can open, but it's not very easy.
Not very easy.
No,
yeah,
no,
yeah.
it's not very easy access. Is there a filter? You can see the water in here, the level, or you just look into here. There's water inside.
Oh yeah, that's it. Yeah.
You got fuel filter on this side. So make sure you always put clean fuel in
Yeah.
diesel. So if, let's say the burner is not working or something, first thing you look if it's that one is blocked, like
Right,
shit
okay,
stuff in
yeah,
there
got
or
it.
something.
Yeah.
Or make sure you have diesel. Yeah, normal. So
pretty
you got a
self-
light. If you don't
yeah.
have diesel, it's gonna come on. a light.
Right, okay, yeah.
But
Does it matter if it's red or white diesel?
It's better normal diesel.
Just normal white diesel.
Normal diesel, yeah. Normal diesel, yeah, it's better.